Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by arming a track and checking levels so recordings aren't distorted. Once the input is set, enable monitoring and create a short region to capture your first pass. Make sure tempo and count-in match the loop feel you want. This prevents phase and timing issues later. Next, trim silence and normalize gain quickly. Then set the region length to a musical division like 1 bar or 1/4 note grouping to lock timing for overdubs. You hit cycle mode and start recording the foundation loop. Focus on a clean first pass because every overdub locks to it. Once done, enable overdub and record subsequent parts while listening to the loop through headphones. Use short fades on region edges to avoid clicks and apply light compression or EQ to each layer to keep clarity. If timing drifts, nudge regions or use quantize to snap transients into place so the loop remains tight and musical. You now mix the loop. Balance volumes, pan for space, and add subtle reverb or delay to glue parts together. Once done, bounce the loop to a single audio file to reduce CPU load and to commit edits. Make sure to save a project duplicate before destructive edits. If you hear clicks or timing slips, check region edges for stray silence, align transient markers, and re-record the offending pass. This fixes most problems quickly, so your loop plays back seamless and ready for arrangement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.